enthusiastic. Welcome to our journey inside a high-tech weapons manufacturing facility. Today, we're taking you through the complete process of how a weapon is made, from raw materials to the final product. Get ready for a deep dive into the fascinating world of weapon production. This state-of-the-art factory is where the magic happens. Advanced machinery, precise engineering, and skilled technicians all come together to create some of the most sophisticated weapons. Let's start with the raw materials. Every weapon begins with raw materials. Steel is the primary component, selected for its durability and strength. These raw materials are transported to the factory, where they are melted and cast into different shapes and sizes. Once the raw materials are prepared, they undergo forging. High-pressure machines shape the metal into basic components. This process ensures the metal is strong and can withstand the stresses it will face. Next, precision machining takes place. Computer numerical control (CNC) machines cut and shape each piece with incredible accuracy, transforming rough metal parts into precise components. Heat treatment is crucial for enhancing the metal's properties. Components are heated to high temperatures and then cooled rapidly. This process hardens the metal, making it more durable and resistant to wear. With the components ready, it's time for assembly. Skilled technicians put together the various parts, ensuring everything fits perfectly. This step requires precision and expertise to guarantee the weapon functions correctly. Quality control is a critical stage in the manufacturing process. Every part undergoes rigorous inspection to meet stringent standards. Sophisticated tools and techniques are used to detect any flaws or defects. After assembly, the weapons receive finishing touches. This includes polishing and coating to protect against corrosion and enhance appearance. Each weapon is then tested to ensure it meets performance criteria. The final stage is testing. Weapons are fired and tested in controlled environments to ensure they operate flawlessly. This step is crucial to confirm reliability and safety before the weapons are delivered to customers. Once tested, the weapons are packaged securely to prevent damage during transit. They're then shipped to military and other authorized customers around the world. From raw materials to finished products, we've seen the incredible journey of how a weapon is made. It's a complex process with expert craftsmanship. We hope you enjoyed this inside look at the fascinating world of weapon manufacturing. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. See you next time. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at how things are made only on our channel.